Now, this morning was lovely blue sky without a chemtrail in it, and we've got lots of them in it. So I just want to illustrate the difference in the overall air quality. Of course, in dawn and dusk it's lighter on the horizon, and we've got that lightness now. But you see that the blueness, there is blueness, but it's whitish, and the further you go onto the horizon it is very white, and that's not cloud. You can actually make out the clouds buried in the midst of it. I don't know how good my zoom is, but there are cloud shapes amongst the whiteness. The main effect on the horizon is the curvature of the Earth. The density in the atmospheric build-up of the chemtrail crud is more noticeable because of the curvature of the Earth. So directly up, it's more blue because there's less thinness, you know what I mean? Like the thickness, you're seeing less of it, but when you're on an angle, it's magnified. Well, not magnified, but you're seeing more whiteness because you're looking at the curvature of the Earth. If you can see, you know, on the land, the human eye can see probably like 2 Ks before, you know, like one man can see another man 2 Ks away or something like that. If he's like 1.5 meters tall, short men, you know, that the curvature of the Earth, you can't see beyond there, but in the sky you can, and you can see further up, you can see more of the atmosphere along the horizon. That's why it's whiter. But I don't know if I can get someone else to explain that more clearly, but directly above it's bluish, milky blue, but on the horizon it's white, and that's got to do with, you know, the curve of the Earth and the atmosphere. You can see more of it at the horizon, and you can see that it's white. In the morning, those clouds there, similar clouds this morning, were surrounded by blue sky. Now they've had an afternoon full of spraying, and those definite shapes of clouds there are surrounded by white haze, which is the chemtrail effect at the curve, you know, the atmosphere over the curvature. You can see it's blue, and then it goes down to a haze of whiteness without much gradation. You know, usually clouds have shapes, and those ones there on the horizon do have shapes. You can tell, yep, they're definitely clouds. But the haze, the white haze on the horizon, it gives way to blue and white wispy chemtrails above. See right there. That's definitely one there. And wispiness. So I'm just pointing it out, explaining the physics of it. But it's spring, and that hasn't stopped, the chemtrails haven't stopped the flowers from blooming, which is to my great thanks. Thanks to the Lord. Hallelujah. The grass. Yeah, there are good things in life. God's creation is good, man's destruction is bad. So that's how I like to posit it. You know, life is everywhere and can be improved and maintained and encouraged. But you've got these freaks out there doing this shit to the atmosphere that are very anti-life. They belong to the order of death, basically. The secret groups that steer our world. But yeah, I'm not scared of those bastards. I can look after myself, and we all can. Just take care of your health and look after yourself. Try to stay out of it when it's raining down the filmy, wispy, webbish crud stuff. But yeah. Anyway, still it's a pleasant spring day. Very nice. Spring smell in the air. Privet berries on the bush there. Peppercorns on the tree further ahead. It's good. Good to be alive.